similarities, but I think what really stands out to me between these two, if you happen to be lucky enough to be choosing which one that you want, I feel more of the time in this like I'm able to use more of what the car is offering hardware-wise. I'm someone who's learning. I'm not a professional. You know, I'm not a race car driver. I'm a reporter, weekend lapping enthusiast kind of thing. And to me, in the GT3, I feel like I'm able to get closer to what this car's hardware can deliver. I also feel like the car's not laughing at me as much when I'm not really pushing it. I still feel like, you know, I'm having a good time with this car. The car's not laughing at me. Whereas the GT2, you've always got this sense that there's another sort of plateau you're not quite hitting, because it's just so much more car in so many more ways. But I think at the end of the day, for my money, GT3, and I'm an all-motor guy, I'll pick all-motor over twin-turbo pretty much any day of the week. And GT2 RS is an immensely respectable weapon and a monster of a car, but for my, you know, six-figure funds, it would definitely, I think, be one of these. Absolutely one of the best and most thrilling things I've ever driven, hands down. And there have been quite a few, including just about every other modern 911. This is a special car. It's a very special car. Now I'm gonna go buy a lottery ticket. Thanks for watching.